Japanese fish filleting begins before the first cut. A skilled chef observes the shape of the fish and understands its structure. The scales, gills, and internal organs are carefully removed. Each step prepares the fish for clean, precise work. Then the blade follows the natural lines of the body, along the back, along the belly, closer to the bones. The goal is not to cut through the fish with force. It is to feel where the bones are, guide the knife, and protect the flesh. Hamachi and red sea bream have different shapes and textures, but the essential principle remains the same: read the fish and follow the bone. This is the foundation of Japanese fish filleting. Learn authentic Japanese culinary techniques step by step at Japanese-cuisine.com.